So guys, this is the alarm clock. It's very lightweight, simple design. You have a Type-C and a USB port on the side for charging different devices. So this is supposed to pull up this little film on here. You might have to get a fingernail in the corner to pull out this little film of plastic. It's a pretty sleek design. You have two plugs. Don't be mistaken. This is not a grounded, so that's just an empty hole right in there. You can put a 3-prong in there, but keep in mind whatever you plug in there is not going to be grounded. You're only going to get your 2 standard prongs. So I personally recommend never plugging a 3-prong in here, even though it has the fake dummy hole in there. So let's go ahead and plug this in. By the way, if you don't want to use it with your power outlet, you can put 2 AAA batteries and operate it with batteries. So I like that they gave that option.